Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you east facing plan for 2 BHK house in 128 yards. So initially I will show you the site details about this respective 128 yards. So go to this PDF file. So this is the site details about 128 yards. So in east facing direction, it will be consisting of 12 feet road. So in front of the road, 25 feet is the length in east facing direction as well as west facing direction. In north facing direction as well as south facing direction, it will be consisting of 46 feet here. Site area, we need to multiply the length as well as width of this respective site. 25 multiplied by your 46 will give you 1150 square feet. So 1150 square feet is the area of respective site. We need to divide this respective 1150 by 9 will give you 128 yards for this respective house. For this respective 128 yards, I will show the plan of 2 BHK house. So go to 25 by 46. So this is my plan for the respective double bedroom hall kitchen portion, which is consisting of 12 feet road in east facing direction. 25 is the length of the building in east as well as west facing direction. 46 feet is the width for this respective house in north facing as well as south facing direction. So in front of the road in east facing direction, there will be a main gate here, so which is consisting of 10 feet is the length. So this is the staircases for this respective house in east facing direction, which is in 11 feet length and 5 feet 8 inches for the respective width. In front of this respective main gate, there will be a parking. So this is the parking dimensions for this respective house, which is consisting of 10 feet 10 inches in x direction distance as well as 13 feet 1 inch in y direction distance. In front of the parking area, there will be a main door here, which is consisting of 4 feet in x direction distance. So in the east facing direction, there will be a window here, first window for this respective house. So through the main gate area, we need to enter to the hall. So this is the hall dimensions for this respective house, which is consisting of 16 feet 3 inches in x direction distance as well as 10 feet 6 inches in y direction distance. So in the side of north facing, there will be a window here. So this is the kitchen portion for this respective house, which is consisting of 7 feet 11 inches in x direction distance and 6 feet 9 inches in y direction distance. So this is the puja area for this respective house, which is consisting of 4 feet in x direction distance as well as 3 feet 7 inches in y direction distance. There will be a utility for this respective house, which is attached to the hall portion. 4 feet is the x direction distance as well as 6 feet is the y direction distance for this respective utility area. So after that, I will show you the bedroom dimensions. So this is the master bedroom dimensions, which is consisting of 10 feet in x direction distance as well as 16 feet 10 inches in y direction distance. So there will be a door here, D. So this is the opening for this respective children bedroom house. So this is the children bedroom house for this respective house, which is consisting of 10 feet 3 inches in x direction distance as well as 8 feet 2 inches in y direction distance. So in west facing direction, there will be a window 1 for this respective 2 bedrooms. There will be a exit for this respective bedroom, children bedroom in west facing direction. So this is the bathroom for this respective bedroom, which is consisting of 6 feet in x direction distance as well as 4 feet in y direction distance. So this is the washroom for this respective house, which is consisting of 3 feet 6 inches cross 4 feet. So 3 feet 6 inches is x direction distance as well as 4 feet is y direction distance. So ventilation is provided in the north facing direction for this respective bathroom as well as washroom. In kitchen portion, there will be a window for this respective house in east facing direction, and for the puja room also, the window is provided in east facing direction. For this respective house in west facing direction, the wide walk will be consisting of 2 feet 6 inches here. So after that, I will show you the north facing direction wide walk. So this is the wide walk for this respective north facing direction, which is consisting of 2 feet 6 inches. So this right hand portion will be consisting of schedule of opening for this respective house. Nothing but the main door dimensions, D1 door, D door, D2 door, window, W1, W2, as well as ventilation, outer wall, inner wall, compound wall for the gate. So main door will be consisting of 4 feet cross 7 feet. 4 feet is the length direction distance as well as 7 feet is the high direction distance for this respective main door. So D is the door for the respective bedrooms, which is consisting of 3 feet 6 inches in x direction distance, nothing but the length direction distance, and 7 feet is a height direction distance for this respective house. So D1 is the door for the respected utility as well as washroom for this respective house, which is consisting of 3 feet is the length direction distance as well as 7 feet is high direction distance. D2 is the door for the respective bathroom, which is consisting of 2 feet 6 inches in length direction distance as well as 7 feet is high direction distance. W is the window for this respective house, which is provided in hall in north facing direction, which is consisting of 5 feet in x direction distance, nothing but the length direction distance, as well as 5 feet is the height direction distance. W1 is the another window which is provided for the respective 2 bedrooms and kitchen portion, which is consisting of 4 feet is length direction distance as well as 4 feet is a high direction distance. W2 is the window which is provided for the puja room as well as the main window for this respective house, which is consisting of 3 feet in x direction distance, nothing but the length direction distance, as well as 4 feet is the height of this respective window. So V is the ventilation for this respective house, which is provided for the respective bathroom as well as washroom, which is consisting of 2 feet in length direction distance as well as 2 feet in height direction distance. For this respective house, outer wall will be consisting of 9 inches, nothing but the double brick work. So inner wall will be consisting of 4 inches, nothing but the single brick work for this respective house. Compound wall will be provided for the 5 inches. So compound wall for the gate portion will be provided as the 9 inches for this respective house. So this is the details about the double bedroom hall kitchen portion east facing house, which is consisting of 128 yards site area. Now I will explain you the site area, slab area, plinth area for this respective plan. Go to this respective photograph. So site area 25 cross 46. So 25 is in east direction as well as 46 in north as well as south direction, which will give the value of 1150 square feet, which is equals to 128 yards. So after that I will explain you the slab area. 24 in x direction distance, we need to deduct the thickness of the wall for this respective compound wall. So multiplied by your 40 in vertical direction will give the value of 960 square feet, which is equals to 106.66 yards. Plinth area, nothing but your respective wall area for this respective house. So we need to divide this respective whole 2 BHK house in 2 portions. One portion will be consisting of 2 bedrooms as well as hall portion, and another portion will be consisting of kitchen and puja portion. So for the respective hall and bedroom portion will be consisting of 21 feet 4 inches in x direction distance, 30 feet in vertical direction distance, nothing but width direction distance. So for the respected kitchen as well as puja room, it will be consisting of 11 feet in x direction distance, 6 feet 9 inches in vertical direction, which is equals to 722.8 yards. So after that I will show you the center to center distance for this respective house and column positions for this respective house. So this is the center to center distance diagram for this respective house, which is consisting of 25 feet length, nothing but the 7.62 meter length. Width direction distance will be 46 feet, nothing but 14.02 meter. This building will be consisting of 14 number of columns for this respective house. So this is the center to center distance between the columns for the respective column 1 as well as column 2, which is consisting of 12 feet 3 inches, nothing but 3.73 meter. And width direction distance will be consisting of 5 feet 8 inches, nothing but 1.73 meter. So after that I will show you the center to center distance between the columns for the respective second column as well as third column. So this is the second column and third column. The center to center distance will be 10 feet 6 inches in x direction distance, nothing but 3.20 meters, and 12 feet 9 inches in width direction distance, which is consisting of 3.89 meter. So after that I will show you the center to center distance between the columns for the respective column 4 as well as column 5. So this is the column 4 column 5 center to center distance, which is consisting of 12 feet 3 inches in x direction distance, nothing but 3.73 in x direction distance, and 6 feet 4 inches in width direction distance, which is consisting of 1.93 meter. So after that I will show you the center to center distance for the respective hall. So the center to center distance for the respective column number 6 as well as column number 8 will be consisting of 20 feet 7 inches, nothing but 6.27 distance, and width will be consisting of 10 feet 6 inches, nothing but 3.20 meter in width direction distance. So after that I will show you the center to center distance for the respective column number 10 as well as column number 11. So this is the column number 10 as well as column number 11, which is consisting of 9 feet 10 inches in x direction distance, and column number 11 as well as column number 14 will be consisting of 16 feet 10 inches in width direction distance. This balcony will be consisting of 2 feet 6 inches in west facing direction, nothing but 0.76 meter. North facing also consisting of 2 feet 6 inches balcony, which is consisting of 0.76 meter for the respective house. So this is the plan for the respective house of east facing direction, which is consisting of 25 feet cross 46 feet dimensions, nothing but your 128 yards plan, which is having double bedroom hall kitchen portion with all requirements. So if you need this respective plan, please find the link in description. Thank you.